Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I'll be exploding a timed nuke as far away from me from the 7-Eleven as possible. To be honest, I think I can not survive. I think I'm just gonna die. Yeah, I know what, buddy? Yeah, I know what? Yeah, everything that you see in the store is gonna be gone, including my friend Ford here. So, everything is gonna be gone. If he's still here, yeah, I'll have those on him. Okay, so he looked ridiculous. All right, so I will cut this part out, and I will see you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Ford, it's gonna go.
What's up, son?
Actually, I'll take these off you. Perfect. We need to take shelter. Right. I'll put you in here. It's about to go. Oh! Let's hug. Also, I'm immortal. 3, 2, 1. Oh. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, those items revived in there. Dude, there's like nothing left. How are those codes still standing, dude? Oh, the people... Where is my... Okay. Oh yeah, my Nimbus gun is gone. Also, it just deleted him. Like, he's dead. Okay, let's see the people in here to see if they survive. Nuke. Looks like it. Yeah, they did. They both did. Dude, jeez, you guys actually survived. I don't know. Chandler, she said if you're hungry. Okay, well that was insane. That's not all we're gonna test out. We're gonna do more tests to see if Ford can survive. I'll put you. Oh my gosh! Okay, goodbye! What the heck? Okay, so they will be down there. So I'm pretty sure they will survive. These guys, I'm pretty sure they're just gonna die. That's right. Anyway, so I'll be back right with you guys to see if any of these guys survive. Oh, I'm here. I'm here. All right, who am I gonna hide with? You. I'm gonna hide with you. I love you, Ford, but you're gonna die. You're gonna die, buddy. I love you, Ford. What the heck? All right, Ford. Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye, you. No. He's gone. He just got obliterated. Let's go see if he survived. No, dude, no. Did they also die? No. Wait. I hear them. Wait, I hear them. They're alive, I think. Are they alive? They're not there, but are they somewhere? Alright, I'm just gonna go in here. Low gravity. Hey. Okay. So we're gonna hide a bunch of people in here. Not like a lot of cords. I'm gonna add somebody that you might survive and who you might recognize. I don't want him to get lost. So Frank. Here's my buddy Frank. Frank is my best friend. Ford, I have your promise. Actually, I'll keep him with me. Frank. Stay alive there, buddy. Alright, I'll of you guys initiate, you guys will be ready for the best nuke of your life. Yo, what's up, guys? If you like this video so far, like and subscribe. If you love this video so far. Oh, I think this is copyrighted music. I'm gonna try to cut this out as much as possible. I'm pretty sure it's copyrighted. Oh yeah, okay. Guys, I'm gonna try to cut this out as good as possible. I'm gonna try to overlay some music on it. I don't know, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's copyrighted. So let's just get out of here. Let me get out. Where's the name is gone? There it is. There it is. Alright, I'm gonna get out. What? Okay, thank gosh. Okay, no copyrighted music. I hope that wasn't long enough to at least get me copyrighted. Because I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted music. It sounds like copyrighted music. I'm going to be very honest. It does sound like copyrighted music. Anyway, we're going to get on with it. And I'll see you guys once I get it ready. Bye-bye. They're about to die. Alright, y'all. Y'all. All of you guys. Goodbye. Goodbye! I'm staying here with him. Alright guys, we are back and I'm hiding. I am hiding with him. Check back on them. The nuke does end up exploding, which is in a few seconds. Oh, okay, we're done. We're done for. They're gonna die. I'm pretty sure. I hope not. I hope at least just that guy. At least one. No way. You guys? They're alive. Oh, it's because they were in a different atmosphere. That's why. Did this guy survive? Yep. Okay, so that does count as done.